Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the DHgate affiliate program step by step. First, open up your browser and go to aff.dhgate.com. This is the official DHgate affiliate portal. After that, click on Enter Workplace and it will redirect you to this page. Just check it and click Activate Free. Now this will pop up. You need to fill in the required details. If you have a website, blog, or social media account, make sure to include it. This helps them to know how you'll be promoting their products. After you fill in all the required details, click Save. Once you're done, now you just need to wait for your application to be reviewed. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days. Once approved, you'll get access to your affiliate dashboard. This is where you'll manage your links, check your earnings, and track performance. And that's it. You're now ready to earn with DHgate's affiliate program. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thank you for watching.